In today's video, I'm going to teach you Xero Payroll, how to set up tracking for employee groups and timesheet categories, 5 minutes. First, sign into your Xero account on the login page, click login, enter your credentials, and confirm to continue. If you use multi-factor authentication, have your device handy. Once you're in, you'll land on the dashboard. From the top navigation, open Payroll, then go to Payroll Settings. Inside Settings, head to the Organization section. Here's where you connect payroll activity to your tracking categories for reporting. Under Payroll Tracking, open Employee Groups. Choose the tracking category you want to use for grouping employees, then select the specific group that best fits your setup, such as a department or location. Click Save to apply your selection. Next, let's assign that group to an employee so it flows through to pay runs. Go back to Payroll and open Employees. Select the employee you want to update, then go to the Employment tab. In the Employee Group field, choose the category value you just configured, click Save. This ensures the employee's pay details are tagged correctly for reports and analysis. Now let's enable tracking for timesheets. Return to Payroll Settings and find Timesheet categories. Select the tracking category that you'll use to tag time entries, then save. Think of this as the framework that will appear when staff or admins enter timesheets. With the settings complete, let's create a timesheet to see it in action. Go back to Payroll and open Timesheets. Click Add Timesheet. Choose the employee, set the period dates that match your pay cycle, and save to create the draft timesheet. Open the timesheet you just created. On the time entry line, select the appropriate earnings rate, such as ordinary time or overtime, depending on your setup. Then choose the category from the timesheet tracking options you enabled earlier. Enter the number of hours for the relevant days. Double check the details to make sure the category and earnings rate align with your payroll policies. When everything looks good, click Approve. You've now connected employee groups and timesheet categories to Xero Payroll, assigned an employee to a group, and created a timesheet that's fully tracked. This setup makes your reports clearer, helps you monitor costs by department or location, and keeps payroll consistent. If your business structure changes, revisit payroll settings to update the groups or categories, and remember to keep naming consistent so your reports stay clean and easy to use.